How to get your drafts back on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to get your drafts back on TikTok. So let's begin. The very first option is to make sure first that your TikTok app is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and update your TikTok app. Once you have done that, simply open TikTok and then press on your profile found on the lower right corner of the screen. And then what you're going to do here is to make sure to have a screenshot of your profile. So take a screenshot of your profile and then click on the three lines found on the upper right corner of the screen. Click on Settings and Privacy and then scroll down and look for Report a Problem. So right here, you may be able to see Report a Problem and then wait for it to load. Once it is done loading, look for the drafts or the videos and sound option right here. So click on videos and sound and again wait for it to load. Scroll down once again and click on drafts. Click on missing drafts and then wait for it to load. And as you can see, there are tips right here which says TikTok has been uninstalled then reinstalled, or the account has been moved or switched to a different device. What you're going to do is to click on No right here and then click on Need More Help. Wait for it to load. Type in that your draft is missing and then add your screenshot or the picture that you have taken earlier and then click on report. Then you should wait for at least 24 hours or until TikTok has replied to your concern. So that's it. That's how you can get your drafts back on TikTok.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.